While we talk about any house plant, immediately the picture of its foliage comes first. No doubt, almost all house plants have very unique patterns of leaf structure with stunning colors, or simply green but very attractive. When we add one more adjectives to these house plants like popular, that means they are very easy to care and to maintain. Even they demand less time of yours to look after them. Anyways, I am going to give a list of the best popular houseplants ever. Let me start with juniper or cypress golden. It thrives under direct sunlight. It can be grown in small containers like this. It's easy to maintain once it is settled. It's ficus dwarf variety. It's a very popular because it is decorated as a bonsai plant also. It can be grown under direct sunlight or partial sunlight. It looks very cute in my small ceramic pot. This is known as ponytail palm. It loves sunlight, so best spot would be a partial shady area. Caladium, nothing to describe about this plant. It grows from its bulb, so it's worthy for waiting for this stunning foliage after its dormant period every year. Loves diffuse sunlight. Another popular houseplant is syngonium. Can be grown anywhere, even in low light conditions also. Common name is arrowhead. You may get a large variety of this plant in any nursery. This is philodendron, a very easy growing shade loving plant. The attractive part is its baby leaves. Choosing which variety is just right for someone is always confusing. In fact, you love all the varieties, am I right? These are red Valentine aglaonema. I have other collections also. It's very hardy houseplants. Can be grown under any medium of light. Look at this amazing colorful foliage. Most of the varieties have rich green leaves with silver touch. Common name is Chinese evergreens. This is Stromanthus triostar, one of very popular houseplants. Because of its beautiful foliage, it has many interesting facts why the leaves have red, green and white pigments. It is very sensitive to sunlight. Never place this triostar under direct sunlight. Angel wing begonias are one of my favorite plants. These varieties with red colored stems sometimes look like bamboo canes. There are lots of varieties. It's a shade loving plant. These are crotons. I am confused whether this is red eye stone crotons or Petra croton. They love partial sunlight, and due to this, you find the change in the intensity of the color of the leaves. So I keep them under partial sunlight area, a little bit away from my other shade loving house plants. This is Calathea ornate. Common name is pinstripe. These pink colored stripes on the green base are so symmetrical. I just wonder about the creation of nature. These also belong to Calathea family. They are much similar to the green shades foliage of the aglaonema, but one difference is that they are bushy and they don't have stems with nodes. All are shade loving plants. Another interesting leaf pattern of this beautiful plant, Monstera, it will get its full beauty when it grows on a moss stick. Fittonia, it's very lovely house plants, perfect for terrarium or very small tabletop containers. The silver white vein structure on green leaves is quite a common variety, but other shades are equally very beautiful. Place them under shade of other plants. They love filtered sunlight. Nowadays, you get many exotic ferns in nursery. They grow easily in well-lit and ventilated indoor environment and very easy to care. This is Dracaena reflexa. Common name is Song of India. Most hardy, easy to maintain, and most prized plant for the beginners. I am always so confused which plants should be the first choice in my list because all are so adorable. If possible, I would have collected all varieties of each species.